Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EasyCount Smart Heat Press Machine for T-shirts, Mini Portable 7x 5-inch Iron-On Press for HTV Vinyl and Heat Transfer Sublimation. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Smart Heat Transfer. Our intelligent heat press machine includes a mobile app. After you choose the materials from the Smart Heat app, it can auto-set and send the target temperature and time to the machine. It's much easier than artificial look up the tables and set by hand. Wide applicability. This heat press works great with all types of HTV vinyl materials, including foil, light/metallic, glitter, holographic, and sublimation paper. DIY fun. Our multi-purpose mini heat press measures 7x 5-inch and is perfect for all your heat transfer projects. It's easier to use than larger presses, 10x 10-inch, while heating more evenly than smaller ones, 2.6x 4.4-inch. Customize and personalize patterns on t-shirts, pillows, socks, masks, shoes, hats, bags, phone cases, and more. Experience the joy of DIY with our mini heat press. Precise temperature control. With our precise temperature control system, you can create professional-grade heat transfers. Choose from 3 heating levels with temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 205 degrees Celsius, to meet your needs. Set the temperature and time on the clear LED display and buttons, then press gently to get unique patterns on t-shirts in just 60 seconds. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.